So, welcome to the show.
Yes, sir.
You like your mic that you bought? That was all you, man. I really appreciate you.
No problem, bro.
All right, so questions are going to appear on the screen. You've seen the show, so you know kind of how it's played. So you get to pick a category. There's the more section if you want to choose more. Right tonight we've got grand prize hidden behind one of the questions. So if you get that correct, or if you find it and then get it correct, you win the grand prize tonight.
Nice.
So what category would you like to choose tonight?
I do Disney.
Disney? What number?
I do 2.
Number 2 on Disney, please.
Hey, I click it.
No.
Oh, no.
Yeah, he's controlling it. What's the average daily attendance for Disney World?
Ooh.
This is pre-COVID, probably.
I want to say like 5,000 people.
5,000? You think that's it?
I want to say 10,000. I go 10,000.
10,000. Oh, that is incorrect, man.
Ooh.
It's 53,000.
Whoa.
Yeah, that's a lot of people, isn't it? That's why you have to spend an hour in line.
Whoa.
All right, next question for you, buddy.
Food for one.
Food for one?
Yes, sir.
Food for one, please. He's tripping.
It's a lot of people.
What was the first fast food chain in China?
McDonald's?
McDonald's? Final answer?
Yes, sir.
That is incorrect. It's KFC. All right, next question.
General trivia
General trivia
for 2.
for 2. All right, number 2 for general trivia.
Bro, I'm getting all these wrong.
It's all good. What was the first state in the U.S.? One, our United States.
Oh man.
Which state was first? There's one over on the right side.
Yeah. Yeah, I know that. I'm trying to think in the peninsula. I'm trying to think. I forgot. I want to say. I want to say Pennsylvania.
Final answer?
Yes, sir.
Pennsylvania. Delaware.
Delaware. That I
You
knew
were
something
close.
like that. Oh man.
Let's do one more.
Gotcha.
We got 2 minutes.
I go for general trivia one again.
General trivia number 1, please. What? What is the only? Which one?
Pennsylvania.
I'm sorry, audience. I'm laughing because he
What a
just
coincidence.
answered this question. What is the only American state that begins with the letter P?
What a coincidence. That's Pennsylvania.
Pennsylvania. Oh, that is correct.
What a coincidence. Oh.
Sorry, excuse my death rattle here.
It's okay. Bless you, man.
Oh man. What was that? Oh, so apparently that was the grand prize question that was hidden under.
Oh, that's crazy.
So you wouldn't have won a prize had you not gotten that one question right.
Oh man, that's crazy.
All right. So your grand prize tonight is so we've got free karate lessons for you to Green's Karate. I think it gives you 8 lessons in a month.
Uh-huh.
So I'll give you that at the end of the ride. Don't get out without it. And I hope you enjoy that. He was actually our first original sponsor. So Green's Karate on Ringgold Road, I believe it is. So audience, if y'all are listening, check him out. And he's got a promo code, Car Problems, that will get you $10 off his normal special just for watching the show. So y'all use that as well.
Yeah, y'all do that.
This is one of my favorite riders, guys. I'll give a shout out to him.
Thank you, man.
We hope to see you on the show again soon, buddy.
I would like to do that. That was pretty fun right there.
Yeah, I wasn't sure.
I need to study up too.
Right. I wasn't sure I was going to get you because normally I get you late night and it's after the show's done. Because we only go 7 to 11.
Oh, for real?
But you're our first contestant tonight.
Nice.
We've already given away our grand prize. We're going to have to, I think we could probably give away another one tonight if we'll hide another one and see if they can find it. Because first prize is the grand prize. That kind of makes a dull night.
Oh, yeah.
Nobody else has a chance to win it. But that's all right. We've got a couple of them.
It was fun.
Well, I'm glad you got to play, buddy.
That was fun. Yeah, I got to study up. Oh, my God.
All right, I got a 6-minute trip that's 11 minutes away, Brandon.
That's cool. I like the setup, too.
Yeah. All right, when I give you your prize, look at this camera and kind of like hold it up because we're going to post a picture to our Instagram, if you don't mind.
Oh, yeah, what is your Instagram?
It's Car Problems Game Show.
Car Problems Game Show.
Yeah, everything is Car Problems. Go, Gypsy. Go. We don't have a QR code for the Instagram, but he's already followed everything else. Or, well, at least our... it's in here somewhere.
Yeah, just follow.
Right, I did not forget these. Alright, check that out. You got first Green's Karate that we've given away. And if you wouldn't mind just holding it up for that camera. Alright, well, I appreciate you, man. It's good to see you. Hopefully we'll see you again soon. And you have a good night, buddy.
You
alright?
too, buddy. Thank you so much, man.
Later. Alright, everybody. I got to pick up here 1 minute. As soon as the light changes, I'm going to go dark. So, say hello to the stream. We're back on live. This is Redbeard, and I'm hosting Car Problems Game Show. So what you're going to see is categories are going to pop up on the screen behind my head. My producer controls it, so no need to touch the screen. Okay. So there is more categories. So if you want to switch over to see what other questions are available, just say more, and I will have him switch it over. So you pick a category. You pick a category, then pick a number.
I'm thinking Disney or horror.
One second. Hey, Brandon, I'm gonna need the text to chat off.
What are you better at?
No, you're fine.
I know a lot of Disney.
So
I know a lot of horror. What food is good? I don't know.
Now so you'll have 3 lives, and every 4 questions you get correct, you'll win a prize. Now there is a grand prize hidden under 1 question specifically. So if you find that question and get that question correct, you will win the grand prize.
I wish Game of Thrones was up here. I know nothing about DC Marvel.
Okay. So what category would y'all like to play?
You want to do Disney? Let's do Disney.
What number on Disney?
Let's do number 1.
Number 1 on Disney, please. Oh. What?
Yeah, that'd be both of those.
Somebody. Alright, y'all got a freebie.
Yeah.
This is our 3rd week running the show. We're still getting everything together. So
still fun.
Would y'all like number 2 on Disney?
Yeah, I do. Yeah, absolutely.
Number 3?
Yeah, there was no number 2.
Okay, so number 3, please. Who brings Pinocchio to life?
The Blue Fairy.
Blue Fairy, final answer?
Yes.
Yes. Blue Fairy? That is correct.
Good job, Terry.
All right. So that's 2 correct. Well, we gave you a freebie.
Yeah, I don't think I could have named them, but
All right. So that I think that finishes out the Disney category. What category would you like next?
Oh, yikes.
what, general trivia?
Yeah. Let's try food.
Food. What number?
Let's do 2.
Food for 2, please. How many ice cream flavors does Baskin-Robins have?
31?
31.
Final answer?
31, yes.
31. That is correct. All right.
Woo, woo.
3 correct. What question would you like next?
3.
Food for 3?
Yes.
Food for 3, please.
It's ice cream.
And also soda mixed with ice cream creates which dessert?
Float.
A float? Final answer?
Yes.
Float. That is correct. All right, y'all are on a roll. So that's 4 correct. You will win a prize. Okay, first I need to ask y'all, are y'all local or are y'all visiting?
Visiting.
Okay, how long are y'all going to be in town?
Just till tomorrow.
Till tomorrow? Okay. Because I've got some free bowling games to give away, but y'all probably won't use those unless you think you will. Do you think you would want to go bowling tomorrow?
I think
Probably
we will.
not.
Okay.
Bowl tomorrow.
So
That's okay, though. We're having a good time.
Yeah, it's still fun.
I will figure out a prize to give
Okay.
you. But let's continue. What question would you like next?
Should we do TV?
Okay, TV.
TV.
There is a more category if y'all want to see what other categories there are.
Oh, okay.
You want to go to more?
Sure.
Show them the
Oh,
more,
sorry,
please.
this is touch screen. I'd go back
Okay, go back, please.
to, what did you say? TV?
TV. Hopefully it's on 2 current TV.
What number?
Let's go with 2.
Number 2 for TV, please. What Sex and the City character has bright red hair?
Miranda.
Miranda? Final answer?
Yes.
Miranda? That is correct.
Good
All
job,
right.
Terry.
5 in a row. All right. Next question.
1, 2, 3.
Sure, 3, yeah.
TV for 3, please. What is the name of the first soap opera that aired on CBS in 36?
56.
56. 1956. That was a long one.
Days of Our Lives.
Final answer?
Yeah.
Days of Our Lives?
That or the Edge of Night. We're going to go with Days of Our Lives.
As
It was
the world
As the World
turns.
Turns.
I
So
didn't
y'all
think that.
So our game's called Car Problems Game Show. We try to revolve everything around the car. So your extra lives are actually spare tires. So you just popped a tire, had to change a tire. You've used one of your spare tires now. But we're still driving, so we're still on the road. Let's continue to play. What question would you like next?
You want to just do general trivia?
Okay, general.
What number?
3.
General trivia for number 3, please. Which is the highest waterfall in the world?
Oh my god.
The only one that I know of is Niagara Falls.
That's what I'm going to go with, but I don't think it's correct. Niagara Falls, final answer.
Final answer, Niagara Falls. Is that correct? It is Angel Falls is
Oh,
the correct
Venezuela.
answer on that one.
I have no idea.
So
Venezuela.
we just used another spare tire. You still have one left. What question would you like next? Excuse me.
Let's do horror number 1.
Number 1 on horror, please. How long did it take to film the Blair Witch Project?
2 weeks.
2 weeks, final answer? It is 2 weeks correct.
No idea.
It was 8 days.
Oh my gosh. You were close, Derek.
Oh well.
Alright,
We
so
don't have any more
you
tires.
have now used your last spare tire. So one more wrong answer and the game's over.
Okay.
Yeah, no. I gave them 3 spare tires. So they've used their last spare tire. It was a really long trip.
It's got no more questions.
Alright, one more question.
I guess another horror.
Horror.
Wanna
Yeah,
do
we do
anything?
horror number 2.
Number 2 on horror, please.
Too bad it's not 80s horror.
I know.
Alien.
That's a long question. Final answer?
Alien.
Alien. Is that correct? Alien. That is correct.
Yours is before mine.
Yeah, this one over here is about a 5-second delay.
I'm like,
sorry.
how is
Because
she
it's live.
answering already?
Sorry.
Yeah. Sorry, I didn't feel like repeating the long
No, it's
question.
fine. No
Sorry.
worries.
Also, this screen over here has the live stream on it, and we do have a couple members in our live audience. So if they're typing in the stream chat, you can talk to them as
Oh,
well.
okay.
And eventually we'll
Oh,
have
I
live
see
audience
live
participants.
Oh, yeah, I see
That's
it.
so cool. This is fun.
All right, so how many was that right, Brandon? 6? Okay, so 6 right. So if you get 2 more correct, you win a second prize. But if you get another one wrong, the game is over.
Okay.
So what question would you like now?
Should we just go for all 3 horror number 3?
Okay, the number 3 horror.
Number 3 horror, or the last one, whichever. How many Friday the 13th movies are there?
Jeez.
Excuse my cough.
I think there's that many. 6, 7.
I have no idea. Is anybody telling us?
No.
Giving us a hint? I don't know. You want to say 6? I think there's more than that.
I'm gonna go 8.
Okay, 8.
How about 8?
8, final answer?
Yes.
That is incorrect. The correct answer was 12.
Oh, you were close with 13.
Well, thank you for playing, ladies. You did win one prize, which we will figure out at the end of the trip.
Game over.
I've got, I think really the only prize I can give you to take home from Grassroots downtown. I've got some CBD products. I got some gummies. I got a pre-roll and some tinctures. So you can pick one of those 3, as long as you're over 21 years of old.
Oh, we're way over 21.
So we can give you one of those.
Okay, that
when
sounds
the
good.
ride's over. So what prize did y'all want? You want the pre-roll or the gummies? Or the tincture is used in a vape pen?
The gummies.
The gummies.
The gummies?
Yes.
All right. And they got gummies as a prize.
Great.
Y'all enjoy.
you.
Have a great night.
Have a good night.
So who made up the slideshow that the Disney question had to mess up? That's true.
I see it.
Okay, you see it? Okay. What number would you like?
5.
Number 5, please.
I'm supposed to click it.
No.
Okay.
She's doing it on her end. You just tell me. A group of ravens is known as what?
A flock?
A flock? Final answer?
Yeah.
Okay. A flock. That's incorrect. It's really? I thought it was a murder. Okay, so the correct answer was unkindness, apparently. What question would you like next?
Number 2.
Number 2, please. Okay. Number 2. Yes. So what do bees collect in order to make honey?
Pollen?
Final answer?
Hold on. What do bees collect to use to create honey?
Hold on.
Oh, nectar.
Nectar?
Yeah.
Nectar. Nectar is the answer. That is correct. So you have 1 correct. Okay.
3.
Number 3, please. Yes. Don't know. What country borders 14 nations and crosses 8 time zones?
Y'all can guess on this one. What country border 14 nations across 8 time zones? I should have paid attention in school. Mexico?
Mexico?
Yeah.
Final answer?
Yeah.
Is Mexico correct? Incorrect. Correct answer is Russia.
Okay.
So you have to get the last 3 questions correct in order to win a prize, okay?
Okay.
What number would you like now?
6.
Number 6, please.
Opposite of matter.
What is the opposite of matter?
I know this one. Is it solid?
Final answer?
Yeah.
Solid is incorrect.
Antimatter.
Antimatter. So, well, unfortunately, that's the end of the show because you got to get 4 correct and you've got 3 wrong. So, unfortunately, you do not win a prize tonight. But thank you for playing.
Thank you for letting me play.
Thank you. Be right back.
You in because you so cute, huh?
Yeah, the live stream chat is in front of you if you want to say hi to everybody.
What's
they'll
happening?
talk to you as well. The questions are going to appear on the screen over here.
Okay.
You'll have 6 numbers to choose from. You tell me what number you want, and my guy on the other end will pick it for you.
Okay.
So it's not touch screen.
Okay.
Brandon, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready, man.
All right. So what number would you like to?
Let me go with 3.
Number 3, please.
Yes, you. Shit.
What is the name of the biggest technology company in South Korea? They make a bunch of TVs.
Like a bunch of TVs. I'm
And
gonna say
phones, probably.
someone that got Sanyo.
Sanya?
Yeah.
Final answer?
Yeah.
Okay. Is Sanyo correct? Samsung.
Oh,
You were
God
close,
damn.
man.
God. I was almost
That was a
like
good
that.
pick. Good try. All right, what number would you like next? Oh, hey, Chip.
I'm gonna go with 2.
Number 2. Who named the Pacific Ocean?
Who named the Pacific Ocean? I'm gonna go with I know I'm way out. I'm gonna say Christopher Columbus, but I know it's not it.
Is that going to be your final answer?
That's the only answer I know.
Christopher Columbus. I think that's wrong.
Oh, that's it. I know it.
Ferdinand Magellan.
You're right.
Yeah. Okay. All right, so you have to get all 4 questions correct in order to win a prize.
Okay.
You have 2 lives, all right?
Oh, and I already missed 2, so
Yeah, you missed 2. You got to get 4 of them correct.
Okay.
So, which one would you like now?
5.
Number 5, please. What was the first soft drink in space? These are not easy questions, are they?
I'm going to commercial. It's got to be Coca-Cola.
Coca-Cola?
Yeah, it has to be.
Alright. Is
If it
Coca-Cola
ain't-
correct? Alright.
All right then.
Coca-Cola's correct.
All
There you
right
go.
then. All right then.
First soft drink in space, Coca-Cola. So, what question would you like next?
1.
Number 1, please. What geometric shape is generally used for stop signs?
What's that, hexagon?
Is that your final answer?
No, I'm wrong, but yeah. I'm going to go ahead.
Hexagon. Hexagon is 6. So, it would have been it's the octagon.
Oh, okay.
Good try. Alright. If you get the next 2 questions correct,
Okay.
I'll give you a consolation prize, okay?
Okay.
So let's number 4 or 6, which one would you like?
4.
Number 4, please. What is the common name for dried plums?
I don't know. Prunes.
Prunes?
Yeah, I'm gonna say prunes.
Prunes. Final answer. That is correct. Good job. Alright, let's see what the last question is.
It's gonna be super hard.
What is the only edible food that never goes bad?
The only edible food that never goes bad.
It is sweet, apparently.
Okay. Yeah. Apples.
Apples? Are you sure?
Yeah, I know it's not it. I know this is not it. But only edible food that never goes bad.
Would you like a hint?
Yeah, heck yeah.
Animals produce it.
Oh, okay.
Well, I mean,
Fertilizer.
Technically, they're animals.
Okay. So you got that.
They're insects. Insects created.
Insects not goes bad. Honey?
Honey?
Yeah.
Final answer? Honey is correct.
Oh, okay.
Good job. All right.
That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, I didn't think I was going to get it, but I thought I was like, well, what's the only thing that only makes?
Right.
Man, okay.
Good job. All right. I've got a free bowling game for you. It's,
Okay.
buy one, get one free, and you can take a couple people with you.
Okay.
Don't get out of the car without getting it. I got to grab it in the floorboard here.
Oh.
It's spare time. So.
Oh, it's good.
Yep.
Yeah, my daughter wants to go to spend time for her birthday party.
Awesome. There you go.
On the 23rd, so that kind of helps with that.
That will help out with that. So we're going to pop the information up on the screen if you want to follow our channel so you can see your show. Wham Chronicles is a YouTube.
Okay.
Our Facebook is Car Problems Game Show. And
Okay.
everything's linked to the Facebook, so if you just want to follow that, you can find everything from there.
Noel_studio.
So, yeah. So I've got a producer. He's in my ear, but he's also controlling the screen behind my head, so you don't have to touch it. He's going to put, yes, he's going to put 6 numbers up there, so you pick 1 through 6, whichever question you want to answer first. We'll put it up on there. Can we turn the chat off, please? Yep, okay. And as soon as he's got the 6 numbers up there, tell me what number you would like, and we will start.
I don't have it on mine. 6, I guess.
Number 6?
Yeah.
Okay. Number 6, please.
Yes, we can do 6.
So this is the live stream over here. If there's a live audience, they'll talk with you in the chat if you want to talk with them.
Okay. Okay. And a poem.
In the poem Humpty Dumpty, where was Humpty when he fell?
Yeah, he was on the wall. Yeah, the wall.
Final answer?
Yes. Yeah.
On the wall. That is correct.
Had to sing
Right.
it.
So you have to get 4 questions correct to win a prize, just so you know. What number would you like now?
4.
Number 4, please. That's fine.
What is the name of the professional ice hockey team based in Toronto, Canada?
What is the name of the professional ice hockey team based in Toronto, Canada? Has to do with syrup. Sort of. Very loosely. That was a bad hint.
I don't want to say it's maple leaves. It's I don't know him. You gotta take it on this one.
Wild guess?
I don't know anything about Canada. I don't know anything about hockey. I mean, we could just say the Maple Leafs.
Maple Leafs? Final answer?
Yeah.
Brandon? That is correct.
I did
There you
not.
go. Good guess. Because that's all that was.
I don't know. Don't answer.
Alright, what would you like next?
We'll do 3.
Number 3, please. Which member of the Beatles married Yoko Ono?
Ringo?
Ringo? Final answer?
Yes.
Is Ringo correct? John Lennon. No, I asked if it was correct. I didn't say it was. I said, is Ringo correct? No. So, John Lennon apparently was the correct answer. So, that's 1, 2, or 5.
2.
Number 2, please. What TV showed the first interracial kiss on American TV channel? Something. This is a long question. American Network Television. Yes, I do. Would y'all like a hint?
Sure.
It's sci-fi.
Oh. That's not that one. Twilight Zone?
Final answer?
Yes.
Twilight Zone. That is incorrect. It was Star Trek.
What?
Right.
We still can.
Okay. Number 1 or number 5?
1.
Number 1, please. You have to get both of these correct in order to win a prize.
Gotta get these correct.
Which country invented ice cream?
Italy.
Italy?
Yeah.
Okay.
Probably not right.
Italy. Final answer.
Probably not right.
China was the correct answer. Sorry about that. Okay. If you get the last question, I will give you a consolatory prize. Consolation prize, that's what I'm looking for. If you get it correct.
Okay, now I gotta get some right. Okay, alright.
What's the last question? Yes, ready. The Stars and Stripes is the nickname of the flag of what country?
You're the one in the military. You wanna go answer
Oh,
this for one, it.
Hannah?
I'm gonna go with the US of A.
The US of A, final answer.
Maybe the United States.
The
Oh, I read that and I was just like,
The United States. Yes, that is correct. You won a prize. All right, so I've got a free bowling game. It's a buy one get one free. So and you can take up to 4 people with you. So that's your going to be your prize today. He's going to put up a QR code for you if you want to scan that. It'll take you to our YouTube channel so you can see your video when it's posted. Should be posted Wednesday at 5.
okay.
So if y'all want to follow us there. Our Facebook is also Car Problems Game Show. All of our social medias are linked to that. So if y'all want to help support us and follow us there, we would greatly appreciate that.
Alright, I got it.
And I'm going to see if I can grab this real quick before the light changes. Alright, so this one is a dual coupon for you. Gives you a buy one get one free game at Spare Time Entertainment, Spare Time, and it also gives you $3 off a game of laser tag.
Oh, okay.
So y'all have fun with that and take
Thank
some
you.
friends,
Thank you.
and I hope y'all have a great night.